Good day, everyone. I'm Teacher Jordan. Today, we are going to read a story. But before that, do you know the title of our story? That's right. Our story is entitled, Bakit Matagal ang Sundo Ko? In English, Why is My Mommy's Late? By Christine Cannon, illustrated by Mariana Ching. Classes are over. It's time to go home. I fix my things in a hurry so I can fall in line to leave our classroom. Our stroller wheels made a lot of noise, even our goodbyes made a lot of noise. We run to meet our mommies and daddies at the gate. My mommy will surely be there by now. I went straight to the bench where mommies always sit waiting. I tried to look for mommy's face in the sea of daddy's and mommy's faces at the gate. It was so hard because there were a lot of daddies and mommies. I tried making my eyes bigger so I could find mommy, but I couldn't. All I could do was sit on a bench beside my bag and lunchbox. The kids were waiting, and the parents who fetch them become fairer and fairer. A lot of my classmates and their stroller had already gone by, but my mommy was still now here in sight. After a while, everyone had been fetched except me. Just wait here, okay? Your mommy is mostly likely stuck in traffic, said the guard on the gate. So I waited and I waited and I waited. I had trouble keeping still on the bench. Mommy is still not sight. I wondered what happened to Mommy. Maybe her car broke down. I almost jumped from my seat when I remembered that our car was having trouble the past few days. Mommy was surely looking for other ways to fetch me. Maybe she rode an elephant. Its steps were huge, so surely she'd get here quickly. But the elephant can squeeze itself between all the cars on the road. Maybe it will really take a long time before she's fetch me. Maybe Mommy made friends with Eagle. They could swiftly swoop down and fetch me. But I want it be hard for Mommy to find me. The eagle flies too high. All she will see are clouds, buildings, and treetops. She won't be able to spot me waving at her. Maybe Mommy swung with the monkeys from one tree to another. Oh, she'll be here in no time. But as soon as they reach a banana tree, the monkeys will stop swinging. It will surely take a while before Mommy gets here. Maybe Mommy thought of sailing the seas on the top of the big whale. They'll dive into the water until they reach me. But the whale is found in the middle of the sea, and I won't be able to swim in shallow waters. Oh dear, Mommy will have a hard time paddling toward me. Oh, how will Mommy come and fetch me? I felt tired from thinking. All I could do was sigh and cup my chin with my hands. My forehead wrinkled from my everything I thought of. Maybe Mommy forgot all about me. Maybe she doesn't love me anymore. Maybe she grew tired of pitching me every day. Maybe I felt tears rolling down in my chest. Hard I could breathe. I covered my sad face with my hands and all of a sudden, what do you think? The reason why her mommy is late. Very good. Let's find out. Mommy! I'm so glad you're here! I thought you forgot all about me. How could I forget about you when you're the most important person to me? Mom said she'll give me a big hug. Did our car break down? No, I was stuck in traffic along the highway. All my sadness and tears turned into relief and joy. The guard was right. My mom was only caught in traffic.